A very good afternoon for all of you guys. My name is Kavisha and this is TechBreeze HD Plus. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create this type of social media glowing effect using Adobe Photoshop. So make sure that you have almost subscribed our channel and also do not forget to hit the notification button for more tutorial videos. So enough chit chat and let's get started. So right now I'm in my default Photoshop canvas and I'm using Adobe Photoshop CC 2020 version to create this project. But if you are using any other older version of this software, as an example 2019, 2018, 17 or 16, you can just exactly follow my steps, but except CS users. So anyway, in first what I'm gonna do is importing my image files to this canvas. And if you hope to conduct the exact same steps that I follow in this tutorial, you can download these two image files from the link given in the description. So after testing these images, you can select this icon image which I have you given in the description and hold Ctrl J in your keyboard to create a new group. So after that you can select this duplicate layer again and hold Ctrl J in your keyboard to create a new duplicate layer. Okay, now you can select this duplicate layer and go to filters and go to blur, and the blur go to Gaussian blur. Okay, for this set the blurriness to about 150 and click OK. So after that you can select this duplicate layer again and hold Ctrl J in your keyboard to create a new duplicate layer. After that, click on this Gaussian blur effect toolbar and here set the blurriness up to about 100 and click OK. So now we have almost done with our icon image and you can see there's a little glowing effects throughout this image. And now we have to work with this background image and let's get into it. And in first what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this layer and hold Ctrl J in the keyboard and again create a new duplicate layer. Now right click on this and select convert to smart object. Okay, after that we can again select this layer and go to filters and go to render and it go to lightning effects. So after loading this toolbar, you can go to the preset and select the preset as flashlight. Okay, now you can drag this little circle icon to anywhere what you wish and adjust the brightness and contrast of this image as your taste. So now you can select this image again and go to adjustment layer which is in beneath and go to brightness and contrast. Here you can set these values as you wish. Now you can select this image again and again go to the adjustment layer and this time go to hue and saturation. Now select on this colorize option and you can select any color what you wish for. After that you can right click on this hue saturation layer and go to blending options. And now I'm gonna drag this little arrow icon away and as you can see the colors of our image will wipe off but not smoothly. And to solve this problem I'm gonna hold Alt in the keyboard and move the other arrow icon away. So ladies and gentlemen, I believe this is the end of our creation, and of course you can apply a camera raw filter to this image, but for this case I'm not gonna apply that. Anyway, this is the final review of our whole effort. What a very interesting and fantastic tutorial for today's video, and I think that you may have enjoyed this video. And if you do, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and also feel free to subscribe to TechBase HD Plus. So thanks for watching this video guys, and until I'm going to be back with another amazing video, I hope you guys a very nice day.